వెల్కమ్ టు ఆంధ్రప్రభ. నేను మీ కమల్. హైదరాబాద్ బేగంపేట్ కంట్రీ క్లబ్ విఐపి ఇంటర్నేషనల్ 24వ మెంబర్ కార్డును ఆవిష్కరించింది. సంక్రాంతిని పురస్కరించుకుని అంతర్జాతీయంగా ఫేమస్ ప్రాంతాలకు టూరిజం వెళ్లే విధంగా రూపొందించిన మెంబర్షిప్ కార్డును కంట్రీ క్లబ్ చైర్మన్ రాజిరెడ్డి ఆవిష్కరించారు. ఈ నేపథ్యంలో ఇండియన్ ట్రెడిషనల్ థీమ్తో నిర్వహించిన డాన్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్లు ఆద్యంతం అలరించాయి.
ఇవాళ మనము we have launched which is the first thing we have launched after the successful mega hit of the New Year program across the country. Like I was telling you, more than 1 lakh people have participated, and then it was a huge hit. The DJ, one of the DJs was something very spectacular. You must have all seen that in the presentation. And so after the successful launch, I just personally wanted to thank the media for their extraordinary support, what they have given, and I'm sure I think the support will continue in the coming year. You have seen that in this particular point of time, a lot of companies were going down, especially related to hospitality. I just mentioned a few names, and then you have to understand that in spite of COVID, in spite of recession and all that, we were able to not only survive but succeed. And in this dynamic times, we were able to extinguish our debt. Almost we have become a zero debt company. So that is another huge achievement what we have undertaken. Apart from that, we are also entered into real estate in a big way, and this is just a beginning. Like I was telling you, we have 30 prime properties in the heart of the cities in the country, and I'm sure, I think going forward, I think we see a great challenge and also a great opportunity in Brand Country Club to encashing these values and then become a cashless company. Thank you.
Sir, international card ఇప్పుడు existing members కి ఇస్తున్నారా లేకపోతే fresh membership వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తున్నారా సార్?
Fresh membership వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తున్నాం.